What's up, you guys? Good morning. Good morning. It is day 3 of the Florida trip, Orlando Universal Studios. And today I'm super excited because we're going to Volcano Bay. And I am most excited for the wave pool. The wave pool. Your girl be in the wave pool getting it. Almost about to drown, but it's okay. We like the adrenaline rush. So yeah, I got my swimsuit on, and I got like this little sun. I don't really know what it's called, but I love it. It's airy, it's flowy, so I'm so excited. Y'all gonna see me there. I'm gonna see you guys there. Like, let's get going. We're going to the water park. Like, what you mean? I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I'm currently walking up to the wave pool. I'm so excited. And it's like a man-made beach, of course, and the sand is burning my feet. But I can't wait to get in this water. We're gonna see. And I can only get a little bit of this because my phone keeps coming off the little tripod here. And I really don't want my phone to get lost in all this water with these waves, because I already be almost about to risk my life for it. So let's see. I can't wait to go to the real beach though. Ooh, somebody getting cussed out. Oh, cussed out. Oh, it's kind of cold. Let me show you guys. Oh, he don't like you. Not. Let me get in here. Woo. All right, I'm gonna come back to y'all. All right, y'all, so I'm about to get on the lazy river. Hopefully they let me bring my phone, because they've been a little stingy. Like, hold on, don't I pay for this phone? Is this not my phone? So we gonna see. This water's cold. I need to warm up. I need to warm up to the water again. This ain't right. So when I'm doing the lazy river, I might just let you guys see me just going through the lazy river, because I don't have my tripod and my hand kind of hurt. This feels like a workout, an exercise. Let me get on this. I'm so clumsy, I will fall. So okay.
Where should go? We're gone. This is happening. You alright, Ray?
Hi, Dad.
Say hi, Dada.
Hi, Yummy.
Look at all this. Oh, lovely, yeah. Yeah, baby, I see it.
So I be scared that I'm gonna fall off. Look, this is closed. The blue one. The blue one is closed, so that's why. Because like the green one is open, I'll be scared I'm gonna fall off that way. Shit, this is bad. Oh my god. She said I can't put my phone on. Oh no. Oh no. What's that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so it's loud, but we're eating out and we're at this place. So we're eating some pastas. I'm gonna have me like a margarita flatbread. Hopefully it's good. I'm excited. I ordered me a Shirley Temple because obviously I'm childish and I still like to drink those. But I'm excited for the food. We're gonna taste it together. We're gonna share. We're gonna rate like how good is this place. Hopefully you guys can hear me because the talking and the music is just a lot. It's a lot. So I'm gonna be back with you guys and we're just gonna try everything and see how it tastes. Thank you.
Are you going to? Yeah, it's not that bad. You're making a fuss tonight.
It is
They act like they're not, but it's always
All right. So they just brought us some bread. So I broke off my piece of bread. And I'm going to dip it in this olive oil in here. Let's see how this tastes. It tastes good, like nice fresh bread with a little olive oil. It tastes delicious. I feel fancy. I feel like I should be romanced and, you know what I'm saying, take me out. Make me eat something that exquisite, like. So we got the appetizer here. Some fried ricotta, and I'm gonna taste this for you guys. Let's see how this tastes. And it's like in the shape of a ball, so I thought that was super cute. I got some marinara sauce on it. I'm gonna put more. And let's see. It has like a lemon ricotta. Y'all, this is fire. It's fire, huh? Oh, it's good. You can taste the lemon. I'm gonna come back to you guys with the actual pasta and the flatbread because there's music and it's not cool. Okay, y'all, so the food came. I'm so excited. And right here, I have the pasta. And then right here, I have the pizza. If this is bad, I'm recording with one of my hands and trying to eat with the other hand. Yeah, thank you. This has olives and capers in it. I love olives, the black olives, but I never had capers, so I'm definitely trying something new. And I love margarita's flatbread. This is what that's supposed to be, but it doesn't look like a flatbread, so we gonna see. But let's try. try this. I'm so excited. Let me see. Look, I'm not left-handed. I'm trying to pick this up with my left hand. Like, it's good. It ain't like the best I ever had, but it's good. Let's try it. That's good. Yeah, this pizza, this is good. I'm gonna eat and I'll be right back with y'all. What's up? How you doing? What's poppin'? Welcome to day 4, day 5. I'm not sure. Have you been counting? Because I have not. I don't even know what today is. But let me tell you guys something. Yesterday, I didn't end off the video because it was really late and I forgot, honestly. I forgot. Like, after we ate, what you guys saw me eat, we came back to the room. I had a drink and then we crashed. And we were supposed to get up like hecka early today to go to another Universal Park, but yeah, that didn't work out. So what we're gonna do today, we're just gonna do some sightseeing, some driving around, see what's out there, see what's popping. Ooh, who checking for me? Who checking for me? Nobody. But anyway, I cracked myself up. But yeah, and you guys are gonna come with me. We're gonna see what they have to offer out here, and hopefully we can eat some good food while we at it. And I'm excited. I can't wait. And you guys are coming. And you guys are coming. Hey. Oh yeah, and just another reminder, I'm new to this. I'm not true to this. Don't. They was laughing at me. Yeah, don't listen. I know sometimes the picture, the recording, it ain't where it should be. I'ma get better. Give me time. I'm new to this, and this is your new favorite channel, so just bear with me. Yanni, don't be disrespectful. Thank you. But anyway, y'all, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And if you live in Orlando or you live in Florida, what places do you like to eat out here? Where do you like to go out here? Let me know. So when I come back, I can go. But anyway, y'all, let's go. Why is we still here? Why is we still in the room? Right. Yeah, it's so cute. Right here.
Did you have your parking ticket?
No, we didn't have. We left it in the car.
Oh, gotcha. If you want to take the sticker, I can give you like the sticker. Just don't put it over like the QR code.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, guys, I got my appetizer and I got some mac and cheese balls. And I also got me some chips and queso my sister's sharing with me. Let's just try this. I want this mac and cheese to be the
Yeah, on my way back, I'm bringing all the little size of pumpkin. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
What is it? All those little pencils.
Put your hand on my sleeve. You want to let me down. Sit down.
I got you this in case you want to try a little honey mustard. I know you say you don't want to.
Sorry guys with the angle.
And the cheese sauce.
Sorry guys if the angle ain't great.
Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, it's hot.
We're letting it go.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know she wanted my whole ball.
I'm gonna cook on
That's delicious. Ooh, pray I don't get nothing on this white shirt, because if I do, sis ain't gonna be happy.
some cinnamon butter. You gotta like melt it down.
Give me a little piece of your mom.
Can you rip it?
Just a rip.
What's this?
Honey mustard. Not fire.
This must be.
So my food came, and it looks good. Let me show you guys. So I got this is a black bean wrap. I usually don't like black beans and fake patties and stuff like that, but I'm gonna try it. Something new, especially for all my vegetarians out there. We gotta stick together. So I got a wrap. It looks pretty good. And then I got some French fries. And let's do our first impressions. See how it is. And anyone knows me knows I love a tortilla. So when they had like a vegetarian wrap with a tortilla.
Is it me and I'm the only one who thinks when they eat by something they smell, they're eating that?
It's good. It got a lot of flavor. It don't taste plain. Cause you know sometimes vegetarian food it be plain or ain't got a lot of flavor, but this got flavor.
Is that just smell
It's
like that?
good. I like that.
That's
French fries. It was good. Be better with some ketchup. Though.
I'm just waiting.
So you guys know the drill. Like I'm about to smash and I'll come back. I'll be back. But just know this is good. So if you have a hamburger, Mary's, go.
No, the one you haven't been.
Go. I'm full. I'm happy. I'm getting a little sleepy. I think I might got the itis a little bit. You know. I don't know, but I don't know. I think I want to. I kind of want to go to the beach, but I don't know. But we are still downtown. Let me show you guys. All right, you guys. So I got an update. We drove into Disney Springs, and this guy at Disney World, he was like, "You guys want to go somewhere fun? You guys want to go somewhere free?" And we left the free. We all for the free, baby. What's free? So. Yeah, he told us come to Disney Springs. It's fun. So far it looks pretty chill, looks pretty cool. See what they got to offer here. If it's worth your time or not. We're gonna see, please. We're gonna see. So I'm gonna turn it around and show you guys a little bit something. Ooh, y'all want to go eat some steak? How's your dog? That's pretty delicious. Oh, shit. So pretty. Make a wish. Wish the wish. love all these places been having like little waterfalls, little ponds, little rivers. Like, I love water. And it's just been making me feel so good. Ooh, girls, got a box of pizza. Let me get some. I'm always looking at other people's food. I want to make sure I don't get left. I don't want to show. I told my sister that I buy everyone a ticket to go to Animal Kingdom and Disney World. Just lying, now she mad. Well, she's not mad, but she's like, you always playing too much. Cause I do.
It's like one man, she water.
I'm gonna be right there at that wave maker bar. Let me zoom in. That's where I'm going. That's where I'm going. Then we have the pool area. Then sand, like a beachy feel. So I'm just gonna get drinks, watch the kids at the pool.
Y'all see her sister's swimsuit though?
Hey, let us see, girl. Hey, it's saucy.
I'm gonna go get. What size do you wear?
Hi, Yanni.
What size do you
Hi,
wear?
Papa. There's rain.